This is Vizia Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you're viewing TikTok in a low light setting, you might want to optimize the way it looks. Turn on dark mode will give the app a dark background with light text. Dark mode doesn't change the way videos look on TikTok. But you have to know that dark mode is only available on iOS devices and on your computer. But now, TikTok has released dark mode for Android. How to turn this on? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can go to your profile on the bottom right here. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down. On content and display section, you'll find option display under the playback. You can tap on that display. You can see there is an option light and dark mode. If you want to turn on dark mode, you can tap on dark. So you can see your TikTok turn into dark mode. But if you want to use device setting, if your device setting using light mode, so your TikTok will be on light mode. But if your device display on dark mode, so your TikTok will be also on dark mode. I will just use device settings so it will match my device display settings like this. Can see the difference. Now your TikTok is on dark mode like this. It's more comfortable on your eyes when you open the TikTok, and it's more it can save your battery. So that is how to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.